If you follow this channel, then chances are you're probably well aware of the necessity of doing exercise in your day-to-day life, and I'm sure many of you also go well beyond normal daily exercise to do more regimented workouts or play in some kind of sport. However, for all that we've said about the benefits of exercise, how can you try and ensure you'll perform at your peak? Well, this is where the Wim Hof Method comes in, as we look at the techniques of the Iceman and their benefits in performing at your peak when doing exercise. We've covered Wim Hof in a great detail on the channel before, looking at the various techniques, the science and the studies done to better understand the effects of the technique. If you're new to the channel, I will link the playlist to this series in the description down below, so be sure to check it out for more information. So how can the Wim Hof Method benefit your physical performance? Faster recovery. It is quite well known today, but cold therapy, whether cold showers, baths or cryotherapy, can have many benefits after an intense workout. This is because cold makes your blood vessels contract, which prevents swelling and bruising, but has also been shown to numb your nerve endings, which provides you with an instant pain relief. It's for this reason that when many treat an injury, ice packs are immediately applied to the place where the pain is felt. In this regard, exercise inflames the body and causes us to feel painful sensations, as well as discomfort. The application of cold water acts as an anti-inflammatory and can help you recover quicker after a workout. A very cold shower or ice bath, as per the Wim Hof Method, can also reduce aching muscles, as it speeds up the recovery process and helps the muscles to repair faster. Improved cardiovascular health. The Wim Hof Method has extensive focus on breathing techniques that serve multiple purposes, from controlling the body's response to cold exposure and help improve your respiratory system. With this in mind, it's no surprise to learn that by applying the Wim Hof breathing techniques, you can quickly learn to improve your cardiovascular health, helping you deal with respiratory issues and feel better in your overall health. Normally, I suggest to apply the Wim Hof breathing technique before doing cold therapy, but the breathing method can be done multiple times a day, or elements of it done through the day to help you focus and feel better. Alternatively, other breathing techniques are equally valuable for this purpose. I personally practice the pranayama techniques from yoga through the day on top of the Wim Hof Method. Increased muscular endurance. If you take into account what's been previously discussed, it might not come as a huge surprise that practicing the Wim Hof Method can have major benefits for muscle endurance. We know that cold therapy can help recovery and reduce inflammation, but even more so, the breathing exercises have huge benefits for muscle endurance when working out. This is because with improved cardiovascular health, you can pump more oxygenated blood around the body when working out. As blood flows around the body and reaches muscle cells, the bond between oxygen and hemoglobin molecules loosens. When red blood cells pass single file through tiny capillaries that surround the muscle cells, oxygen molecules are released from the hemoglobin to diffuse into the muscle cells. Not getting enough oxygenated blood around the body can have detrimental effects, such as experiencing aches and general pains in the muscles, for example perhaps cramping. Improved focus and mental composure. The Wim Hof Method focuses heavily on cold therapy and breathing, but the third pillar of the practice is focused on commitment, which is directly influenced by mindset and focus. The fact is, every practice in the Wim Hof Method needs focus and concentration when performed, whether it be doing breathing exercises or doing the cold shower. This full engagement of the practice helps you retain concentration and focus, even when trying to cope with uncomfortable circumstances, such as the cold shower. This also translates into other fields, such as physical workouts, but also when working. For example, if you do some of the breathing practices when in situations where you need to focus, you find that out of habit you'll focus in on the activity that you need to do, at the same time blocking out distractions that might be coming from the external environment. This focus and attention can help you perform at your very best, without hesitation and with belief in what you do. So apply the Wim Hof Method and get the many benefits that come with it when working out. Do you regularly exercise? And if so, will you be using the Wim Hof method to perform at your best? Let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads. Thanks for watching.